To connect Hypersku to Shopify, follow these steps. Create a Hypersku account. Go to the Hypersku website and sign up for an account. Fill in your details and verify your email address. Log into Hypersku. After verifying your email, log into your Hypersku account with your credentials. Access integrations. In the Hypersku dashboard, navigate to the Settings or Integrations section. This is typically found in the sidebar menu. Select Shopify. Look for the option to connect to Shopify. Click on it to begin the integration process. Authorize the connection. You will be redirected to a page prompting you to log into your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify credentials and authorize Hypersku to access your store. Configure settings. Once connected, customize your integration settings. This may include adjusting shipping options, pricing rules, and product syncing preferences. Start importing products. After setting everything up, you can browse and import products from Hypersku directly to your Shopify store.